The Triple Aero 15.6 Pro Max by Aura Displays claims to turn your regular laptop into a triple-screen workstation. It features two additional 15.6-inch full HD displays with HDR, anti-glare, and eye care technology. All foldable and portable. Sounds perfect for productivity, right? But here's the catch. While the concept is impressive, many users online report serious concerns. Some experience long shipping delays or never receive the product at all. Others mention poor build quality or screens not working properly out of the box. Even worse, contacting customer support seems almost impossible. To make things more suspicious, the company behind this product has reportedly rebranded several times, according to Reddit threads. That's a big red flag. Now, is it 100% a scam? Not necessarily. Some people did receive it and claim it works fine. But with this many mixed reviews and warnings, you should be cautious. Our advice? Don't buy directly from the official website. If you're really interested, use platforms like Amazon or eBay that offer buyer protection. Have you tried the Triple Aero 15.6 Pro Max? Drop your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching.